back after a little hiatus or whatever. Took a long break, but I wanted to just give y'all a tour of my house. I've been living here for about 3 years, and I just didn't want to give a tour of it until I felt like I was pretty much done decorating. And I still have a few more renovations I want to do, but for the most part, is looking how I would like it to look. It was a completely different style when I first started, so I'm gonna insert what it looked like before I redecorated it again. So I'm gonna do that now so you can see. Maturing is realizing that pink, blush, silver is not it sometimes. Like, you grow out of that. Now we're a little more beige, a little more brown, a little more grown. So I'm just gonna show y'all around. I'm not gonna be showing my back rooms. I'm just gonna be showing, like, well, I'm gonna show my room and y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned. Also, I'm gonna insert some pictures of what this house looked like before I renovated. I did some DIY renovations, so redid the floors and counters, and you're gonna see all of that. The floors, counters, painted, new appliances, stuff like that. You'll be able to see what it looked like before and after. All right, you guys, I'm basically just starting in the utility room because that's where you come in at. Washer, dryer, my little decorations and things like that. Walmart. I think I pretty much get everything from Walmart right here. I just think it's so cute. Organized. I just deep cleaned my house. Come in, dining table, rooms to go. All the decorations and things on here from Ross. Very cheap, you know, very mindful, very demure. Let me stop. From there, going into my bedroom. Just giving a little overview. I finally just did my bed, like changed the added pillows basically. These pillows from the dollar store, real cheap, and the lamps from TJ Maxx. Ignore that. Yeah, I really be watching true crime shit. Like, that's all I do. Into the bathroom. I still have a lot of work to do in the bathroom, if I'm being honest. Lord, got a little raggedy. Hold on. Counters is stained, tinted my brows and dyed my hair and got that shit all over the counter. So yeah, I gotta redo that. Skincare, perfume, you know, aesthetic. Not too much going on. Closets. I need to finish hanging them damn clothes. Nothing too fancy or whatever. So y'all, really almost everything I got in my living room is honestly from At Home, this big ass home furniture store. Majority of it is. Y'all, I forgot to put that fucking handle back on. I just finished painting. I had did like all of the painting and stuff, but I didn't paint the inside of the cabinets because I was lazy as hell. So I just finished painting and did the insides, and we all hold on, let me show y'all. I'm not lying. Yes, just threw out a whole bunch of dishes too. It was a mess. It decluttered. I already have a little if y'all already noticing, I'm ready for fall, bitch. I'm ready to go. My dead plant. Yeah. Yeah. That baby dead. Do I have a laptop for decoration? Yes, I do. It's just for decoration. Like, I really don't use it. Big mirror. Where the hell? I got this from, I think I got that from IKEA. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If y'all have any questions about where I got anything, just let me know in the comments and I'll let y'all know where I got it.